This is Jake. Jake is an executive in a growing organization. His expectations are clear and simple. Deliver projects on time, on budget, and within scope. Yet this is a constant challenge due to the lack of project scheduling, visibility, and resource allocation. Simply put, there is a lack of trustworthy information to enable effective decision-making. In hopes of resolving these challenges, his organization established a PMO and implemented a new project management tool. When that didn't work, they tried enforcing more processes and strict governance. A few years later, the initiative crumbled like a house of cards because the tool didn't work, the PMO didn't help, and no one was following the process. And under the rubble, the challenges still remain. And the cycle begins again, doomed to failure. Why does this method keep failing? EPMA has the answer. A project management tool will not solve your problem. Training your employees for a few days will not make them disciplined. And spending millions on business consulting is uncertain at best and takes years to realize results. The reality is, you can't tackle people, process, and technology separately. EPMA has proven that combining just enough technology, information, process, and people lays the foundation for successful proactive project management without blowing your entire annual budget to accomplish it. With the dozens of project management tools available on the market, it can be overwhelming to determine what is best for your business. Don't fall into the trap of choosing a solution based on fancy product demos, flashy videos, slick salespeople, or even worse, advanced features you're never going to use. The result? Major frustration because there's a disconnect between what you need and what you get. You find yourself adjusting the way you do business in order to fit the product. Wait, shouldn't it be the other way around? EPMA thinks so. The first step is to evaluate key business drivers and construct your vision for a solution. Ask yourself, why are we doing this? What is it that we are trying to achieve? Project management trends and buzzwords come and go, but all you really care about is simplifying the way you work, getting the job done, and ultimately improving your bottom line. Our buzzwords are TIP, KPIs, ROI, and proactive project management. What if I told you that cutting your project delays and overruns by 50% or more is possible without spending more than 5% of those savings on EPMA's services? At EPMA, we guarantee our clients will see value for every dollar they spend with us. And that's what's made us one of the fastest growing companies in America. Remember that executive, Jake? He called EPMA. And by leveraging GEM, our just enough management approach, and applying TIP, technology, information, people, and process, he's finally successfully tackling those challenges. Still think you can't afford to learn about how EPMA is transforming project delivery? Think again. EPMA. Projects refined, work simplified. Click on the link to contact us or call us at 1-888-444-EPMA.